Today we explain how to buy shares of Crossject SA. Crossject is a French medtech company developing needle-free intradermal drug delivery devices, and it is listed on Euronext under the ticker ALCJ.PA. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. You need a broker to buy stocks, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker ALCJ.PA to find the listing. Select the result that clearly shows Crossject SA on Euronext to make sure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to see recent movements. Confirm the page displays Crossject SA and the Euronext ticker ALCJ.PA so you know you have the right asset. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, carefully review the order details, and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set as a limit, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. The link to eToro used in this demonstration is in the video description.